If you're going through pain right now, I want you to know something. You're not broken. You're being redirected. This video is not just a message. It's a new perspective, a new path, a light in the middle of what may feel like darkness. Pain is one of the most misunderstood parts of life. We think it's a punishment, a detour, or something to get over quickly. But what if pain isn't trying to hurt us? What if it's the universe's most powerful tool to change our direction, to push us where we're meant to be, to make us pay attention to what really matters? In this video, we're going to walk through how pain actually works in your favor, how to listen to it, and how to use it to build a life that's more aligned, more meaningful, and more yours. Pain doesn't show up randomly. It's not chaos. It's not punishment. Pain is communication. It's life's way of saying, something here isn't working anymore. And instead of numbing it, running from it, or ignoring it, what if we listened to it? What if we got curious about it? Every emotional ache, every heartbreak, every disappointment, they all carry a message. The message might be, this relationship is no longer aligned. This job is suffocating your creativity. This version of you is outgrowing your current life. Pain is not here to destroy you. It's here to reveal what you've been afraid to look at. Think back to a time when you were pushed to your limits. Mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Didn't something change after that? Didn't you make a new decision, take a new path, end something that needed to end? Pain is the pivot point. It's where old versions of you break down so new ones can be born. Without the pain, you wouldn't leave the situation that no longer serves you. Without the discomfort, you wouldn't grow. Pain invites you to pause, to reevaluate, to reroute. It's a breaking open, not a breaking down. We expect life to move in a straight line, A to B to C. But the universe doesn't work that way. The universe moves in curves, in spirals, in unexpected turns. And pain is often the universe grabbing your attention and saying, not that way. Come back to yourself. When doors close, when relationships end, when dreams collapse, it's not failure. It's redirection. It's a higher path pulling you forward, even when you don't understand it yet. You weren't rejected. You were rerouted. You weren't abandoned. You were protected. Some of the most impactful people in the world were shaped by pain, the loss, the heartbreak, the struggle. And do you know why? Because pain teaches us what comfort never could. It deepens us. It softens us. It connects us. Purpose often begins where pain once lived. Your wounds, they don't disqualify you. They prepare you. They make you more compassionate, more creative, more powerful. There's a purpose on the other side of this, even if you can't see it yet. Let me tell you a story. There was a traveler walking along a smooth, wide road. It was safe, predictable, comfortable. But one day, a storm came. The road cracked. Trees fell. Everything familiar vanished. The traveler was angry, lost, scared. But in that broken road, they discovered something new, a hidden path they'd never seen before, one filled with wildflowers, sunsets, and people who changed their life. And it was then they realized, if the road hadn't broken, they never would have found the one meant for them. Pain breaks the path we've outgrown, so we can find the one we were made for. So how do you know when pain is trying to redirect you? Here are some signs. You feel chronically drained, even after rest. You feel like you're out of alignment, out of rhythm. Life feels louder, like it's trying to get your attention. Instead of pushing through, take a pause. Ask yourself, what is this pain trying to show me? What am I resisting letting go of? What part of me is ready to grow? Pain speaks when we slow down, when we listen not with fear, but with curiosity. When life takes a turn you didn't expect, trust it. The detour is often where the real destination begins. You may not see how it fits yet, but one day you'll look back and say, now I understand why that had to happen. Because pain doesn't just lead to healing, it leads to meaning. It refines your focus. It clarifies your values. It strengthens your soul. It makes you more you. What if, instead of falling apart, you are being rebuilt? What if this chapter is breaking down everything that no longer belongs? To rebuild you stronger, clearer, and more aligned with your true self. Pain strips away illusions. It humbles us, but it also opens us to something deeper. Your soul isn't breaking, it's expanding. The fire you're walking through is forging the version of you that's ready for what's next. You don't have to pretend you're okay. You don't have to rush the process. You don't have to have all the answers right now. What you can do is this. Be gentle with yourself. Let yourself feel without shame. Remember that even in your pain, you are growing. Every tear is watering something. Every ache is shaping you. Every quiet night is making you stronger. Keep breathing. Keep walking, one step at a time. Every breakdown is the beginning of a breakthrough. Every ending creates space for a new beginning. The pain you're feeling? It's a signal that your current chapter is ending, and your next one is being written. You are not lost. You are being led. You are not cursed. You are being called. Called into a deeper version of yourself. Called into a new way of living. Called into the life that was always meant for you. You don't have to go back to who you were. You don't have to fix what broke. You just have to keep becoming. Because the pain you're moving through is not the end of your story. It's the beginning of your return. Return to yourself. Return to truth. Return to purpose. And in that return, everything changes. The pain wasn't in vain. It was the redirection you didn't know you needed. And now, you're on the path you were meant to walk. If this video brought value to your day, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a blessed day.